Throw them up. There you go. Right. Oh my goodness. That was a do-rag. Hey. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming out with a video. This is actually going to be a giveaway vid. Will you be still? Are you gonna be still? Are you gonna be? Hold on. Are you go? Did you just try to lick me? No, I'm not doing this with you, babe. Come get Penny, please. She's licking my ear. I don't like. What? You mean? Oh. Get this damn dog. All right, now that we're back in effect, hold on, let me get this stuff. So, all right, so this is going to be a giveaway video. Now, here's the thing. I'm not going to be doing it. My girlfriend is going to be selecting in the future one waiver who's going to win. Not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but six do-rags, people. And I really got to thinking here. I was saying to myself, I need to really stop doing giveaways to where I'm giving like one waiver a do-rag, another waiver a do-rag, another waiver a do-rag. It really wasn't, it's not really significant for the waiver or the person that's trying to get on point. I mean, I'm sure if you're giving out one do-rag to one waiver, he probably have 30 do-rags sitting in a closet somewhere. So giving them one do-rag each is not significant. So I was like, you know what? Screw that. I'm just gonna have a bunch of do-rags and I'm gonna give it all to one waiver. But I also got to thinking too, you know, with me, how can I make this really different than any other giveaway that I've been doing? And I said to myself, you know, I mainly said to myself, you know what, I'm going to get my girlfriend to actually be a part of this giveaway, you know, and actually do the giveaway. But how can I make it even more interesting? So I did some more thinking. And some more thinking. And finally came up with a plan. Now, I know some people are not on IG, they're not on Facebook, they're not on Snapchat, they're probably not even on YouTube. A lot of people just don't do social media, especially the older generations. They don't do social media. So I said, how can I really make this interesting and fun for just everybody that want to participate in general? Send me a bio. Just send me a bio. Send me information, you know. And what I mean by that is, you know, let me know a little bit about yourself. You know, why? Let me know, you know, how you got waves or who inspired you to get waves. And I don't want to see all that sucking up shit like, well, you, HB3, you inspired me. I'm telling you, I don't want to see that, because my girlfriend will pick up on it real quick and she'll be like, oh, nope, you're not getting them. You're not getting the do-rags. And to be honest, now that I'm really talking during this video, I'm going to probably be adding some brushes in this giveaway. So this is going to be a massive giveaway. We're talking 6 do-rags, maybe a couple of brushes, maybe a product. I may throw a product in there as well. So I'm telling you, man, this is going to be crazy. It's going to be lit. This is going to be a lit giveaway. Another thing I want to talk about, I'll come back to that in a little bit, but another thing I want to talk about too is, if you look around, this is different. Remember, I used to do my videos in the green bathroom or in the blue bedroom. You know, now if you look at this setup, it's completely different. So I did let y'all know a few months ago that I was going to be moving, and I finally moved. I'm settled in. I got everything set up with my girl. We good, settled in, everything like that, and it feels so great to have just the space, more space to be able to do what I want to do and need to do when it comes to my YouTube and when it comes to talking to y'all. I just feel comfortable sitting here talking, you know. And excuse the time, I was at work today. I had to do some interviews and stuff like that, but I just feel more comfortable, you know what I'm saying? I got my lights set up, got my lights around me and everything, and it's just easier. But you know, I appreciate y'all being patient with me for that time being while I was, you know, getting everything set up and arranged and stuff like that. So it means a lot that y'all have been patient, and feels good to be back on YouTube and doing some videos. Got a lot of stuff planned out too, like I want to do. I got to get with some other waivers, man. I got to get with a lot of the well-known waivers that everyone knows about, and I kind of want to just do some interviews with them. You know, one of the biggest things that I was always excited about, or I always wanted to know about certain waivers or particular waivers or all waivers, was their history. I love history. I love Greek mythology and Egyptian mythology. Anything history, that was me. I may not did well in high school and technical college, regular college, all the colleges, whatever. I may not did great in all that, but when it came to history, you couldn't tell me shit. Like, I knew history. So one of the biggest things that I've always wanted to do was learn more information about a waiver, not just to be nosy, but it was more to, you know, that's something that, you know, interests me. And I just really wanted to get that information, like, hey, you know, so how did you start out? You know, what were some things that, you know, along the way that you regret? What's some things along the way that you wish you could have done or you didn't do? You know, you wish you didn't do. You know who this and who that. I'm going to be trying my best to reach out to many waivers, to set up these interviews, to do things, to bring them back to y'all. It's just a lot of stuff I'm really considering trying to do. We'll see how it goes. You know, if that doesn't go that way, we'll just scratch that and just continue on doing more other stuff. But to get back to the giveaway, yeah, the bios, you know, tell me how you feel about waving, what the state of the wave game is. It could be about who inspired you, you know, how did you get started with your waves, what made you want to get waves, you know, how do you feel about waving. It could be any of that stuff. Just send me the information, man. You know, it could be a full paragraph, it could be 1 sentence, 2 sentences. I don't know. I don't care. I'm not picking you. It's my girlfriend that's going to be picking you. And here's the thing. Don't get it twisted. She knows, my girl definitely knows waving to the T. We've been together for a few years, but we've known each other for like almost 12, 13 years. And she's not your typical girlfriend that doesn't you know, like the fact that you're in the bathroom brushing for hours, things like that. She'll sit there and just watch me do it. She just enjoys it with me. So she understands the concepts, you know, the terminologies and all that stuff. So this is just one of those things that, honestly, when you put in your I guess your subscription, or when you put in your information and send it to me, and she's gonna be reading it over, I'm gonna look it over too, but it's ultimately gonna be her decision. So yeah, this is gonna be cool. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of brushes and products to this big care. It's like a big care package giveaway that I'm doing, man. I'm excited to do it, but definitely be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout for also the wavy interviews, or whatever I want to call them. I'm about to start just hitting people up right now in the inbox, or trying to call them up, because I got some of these some of these well-known wavers that y'all know that are just considered wave famous and stuff like that, I got their cell phone numbers. I can just call these people straight up. I've been doing this for a minute, and some of them still hit me up to this day. So, you know, I probably just hit them up. And there's gonna be people too, because of their, I guess, of their stature, or because of the situations and bridges they're a part of, or anything like that, they may say no, and that's okay. That's not going to change my relationship with them. It's not going to change anything. It's just one of them things that I understand the politics of the wave game, you know. So, but other than that, I'm gonna try to make it happen for y'all, man. Y'all wanted me back, I'm back. It is what it is. With that being said, hey, make sure you like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Definitely give me feedback though. I love getting feedback. Tell me what some things that you want to see. I'm not going to do any cut videos because I cannot cut my hair. I hate trying to cut my hair. You know, the few times I've tried to do it, I've jacked myself up, and I just don't have the patience. But I do want to do a clay and lay video. I've seen a couple of people do it, but I want to do it my way. I'm going to get with one of the masters of clay and lay, which is Karan K2. They call him K2 on the pages, but I'm going to get with him. He's going to show me some stuff, and we're going to figure that all out. And that is pretty much it, man. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe to your boy's channel. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for joining me. It's your boy HB. 3. I'm out of here, man.